Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azmila Shrin bin Azhar. Nombor metrik 03 DPR 19F2094. I prepare for Puan Nakia binti Ahmad. First, I want to present about the benefits of eating right. Introduction is the foods you choose to eat can have a direct impact on your ability to enjoy life to its fullest. Perhaps the most obvious positive effect of food is the pleasurable feeling you get from eating a good tasting meal. It might be a plate of grilled chicken, corn on the cob, fresh vine ripened tomatoes, and a baked tomato. A steaming dish or spaghetti topped with a lettuce tomato sauce. Your diet can have long-term effect on your health as well. Diet plays a major role in promoting and maintaining good health, preventing some chronic disease and treating others, and speeding recovery from injuries. In early time, diseases such as goiter and pellagra were relative hormone bursts are caused by nutritional deficiencies and cured by diets containing sufficient amounts of a particular nutrient. In the case of goiter, iodine is the missing nutrient. With pellagra, it is mainly niacin, a B vitamin. These diseases are rare today in the United States because most Americans get enough of these essential nutrients in their diet. Okay, how to lose weight? First, losing weight can help to reduce the risk of chronic conditions. If a person is overweight or obese, they have a higher risk of developing several conditions, including heart disease, non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, poor bone density, and some cancer. Okay, next. Whole vegetables and fruit are lower in calories than most processed food. A person looking to lose weight should reduce their calories intake to no more than what they require each day. And maintaining a healthful diet free from processed foods can help a person to stay within their daily limit without having to count calories. In 2018, research found that a diet rich in fiber and lean proteins results in weight loss without the need for counting calories. Okay, second, reduce cancer risk. An unhealthful diet can lead to obesity, which may increase person's risk of developing cancer. Weighing within a healthful range may reduce this risk. Also, in 2014, the American Society of Clinical Oncology reported that obesity contributes to a worse outlook for people with cancer. However, diets rich in fruits and vegetables may help to protect against cancer. In a separate study from 2014, researchers found that a diet rich in fruits reduce the risk of cancer of the upper gastrointestinal tract. They also found that a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, and fiber lowered the risk of colorectal cancer, and that a diet rich in fiber reduced the risk of liver cancer. Third, diabetes management. Diabetes management means eating a healthful diet can help a person with diabetes too. And for example, lose weight if required, manage blood glucose level, keep blood pressure and cholesterol within target range, prevents or delay complications of diabetes. It is essential for people with diabetes to limit their intake of foods with added sugar and salt. And last, it is also best to avoid fried foods high in saturated and trans fats. Next, number 4 is heart health and stroke prevention. First, according to figures published in 2017, as many as 92.1 million people in the US have at least one type of cardiovascular disease. This condition primarily involves the heart or blood vessels. There is some evidence that vitamin E may prevent blood clots, which can lead to heart attack. The following foods contains high level of vitamin which is vitamin E: almonds, peanuts, hazelnuts, sunflower seeds, and green vegetables. Okay, and the medical community has long recognized the link between trans fats and heart-related illness such as coronary heart disease. If a person eliminates trans fats from the diet, this will reduce their levels of low density lipoprotein cholesterol. This type of cholesterol causes plaque to collect within the arteries, increasing the risk of heart attack and stroke. Salt is added to many processed and fast foods, and a person hoping to lower their blood pressure should avoid this. And number 5, the health of next generation. The health of the next generation children learn most health-related behavior from the adults around them, and parents who model healthful eating and exercise habits try to pass this on. In addition, children who participate in gardening and cooking at home may be more likely to make healthful dietary and lifestyle choices. And the last is closing the benefit of eating right. I can say the more we eat healthy, the less natural it feels to reach for a piece of cookie or a bag of chips when we get hungry. It is then not a matter of depriving ourselves or forcing ourselves, but simply a conscious recognition of respecting what feels the best for our body in the long term run. Okay, that's all. Thank you.